stress usually doesn't create problems on itself, but it'll take whatever minor problems we do have and exacerbate them. So stress management is absolutely key, absolutely essential to just about everybody's life. And now, yes, some of us are more inert against it, others are more vulnerable to it, but like, guys, I don't know if you've ever read like Stephen Covey's 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, but like sharpen that saw. Okay, like always take time for yourselves to make sure that you are de-stressing, because when you're de-stressed, you can do everything significantly better.